Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the 2-to-1 Folding Hand Truck Dolly, a versatile and heavy-duty solution for all your moving needs. This innovative dolly can easily switch between a 2-wheel hand truck and a 4-wheel foldable cart, thanks to its durable steel frame that supports up to 330 pounds. With a compact folding size of just 25 by 18 by 4.7 inches and weighing only 18 pounds, it's perfect for storing in your car trunk or any tight space. The 5-inch dual-bearing rubber wheels ensure a smooth, noise-free experience, while the 360-degree swivel functionality offers maximum maneuverability. The handle is adjustable in 3 gears, extending up to 52.8 inches, and features a cushioned grip for added comfort. Plus, it comes with 2 adjustable bungee cords to secure your cargo without any extra purchases. Whether you're moving luggage, working in an office, or organizing a warehouse, this hand truck dolly is an essential tool, backed by our commitment to quality and efficient after-sales service. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.